Welcome to 21 Edmands Street, unit number 3 in fantastic Somerville. An amazing opportunity. Come check it out.
Have you been struggling to find a home located in a premier city, close to work, both within your budget and with enough space to live comfortably? Oh, and not need a ton of updates? Well, look no further. Introducing 23 Edmands Street, Unit 3 in Somerville, Massachusetts. This top-level 3-bedroom condo has lots to love. Highlights include an updated bathroom, beautiful hardwood floors, custom closet systems, central air conditioning, recessed lighting, elegant crown and window moldings, in-unit full-sized laundry, an eat-in kitchen, and a large living room. The home's location is spectacular. Residents of the neighborhood enjoy Foss Park, Latta Brothers Pool, Otis Street Playground, award-winning dining at Sarma, and the legendary Leone's Pizza. You're also less than 1 mile to the incredibly popular Assembly Row, featuring restaurants, shopping, entertainment, and the Orange Line Tea Station, as well as the booming Union Square. And upon its opening, you'll be just a half mile to the future Green Line extension stop at Gilman Square. Couple all that with its easy access to Boston and Cambridge, and you have an incredibly desirable location with plenty of upside.
I'm Tom Sheehan of Compass Real Estate. If you have any questions about this house, give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me an email. Talk to you soon.